We want to build upon skills you learnt last year in terms of data. So, what we want to start to look at something called cumulative frequency. Now, you did frequency charts last year where you put a score down, you count your scores up, and you put a tally, and then you get the frequency from that. And that's what I've just done here. Like tally 1, so there, 3, so we write down a 3. There's 9 ticks, so we get 9. 6 there, so we write down 6, and there's 3 there, so we write down 3. Our total of our frequency, and that's what the sum notation is, that sigma, f, is the sum of our frequency, is 22. And our cumulative frequency is basically just going through and adding our scores up. So the first one is 1, and then you've got 3 there. So in total we've got 4, so we're accumulating as we go through. Then we add 9, we get 13, add 6 to 19, add 3 is 22. These two scores should be the same when we finish our cumulative frequency, because it should be the total scores. So that's what the table should look like when we do this problem here. And the problem is that we're looking at the strokes a group of golfers took to sink a ball in the first hole. So what's the most common number of strokes? That'd be 4. Sorry, it'd be 4 there, because that was 9. We're looking at the frequency there. So the largest frequency was at 4, so that was the most common score. 22 golfers in the group, as we said. What was the greatest number of strokes needed? So obviously 6 is the highest score. Percentage of golfers that sank the ball in under 4 strokes. So what we need to do in under 4 strokes is say we had 4 all up, because with our cumulative frequency there is 4, and so 4 out of the 22 is 18.2%. And then true or false, more than 1/3 of the golfers took 4 strokes to sink the ball. So if they took 4 strokes, they had 9, and 9 out of 22 is more than 1/3. So the answer to that one would be true.